Panther Channel.
Or say, hey friends, what you want to say?
Hey friends.
Hey, welcome back to our channel.
Hey friends.
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel.
Cool. Anyway, if you want to see us create this look, he is Azari Panther. You are Azari Panther, a superhero. Black Panther, look. Black, this is who you're supposed to be. You're half Black Panther, look. That's where your necklace come from. You see your necklace? And half
Fire.
Storm. Thank you guys for tuning in. And if you want to see this look, continue on watching. And say let's
get into the video.
Okay. Oh, do it again. So, I'm not going to talk. I'm going to do a voiceover. I mean, this ain't even that deep. Never can get these eyes right.
Like Cruella DeVille or bald head.
I was her last year for Halloween.
This is the
I'm about to be Storm for Halloween.
Storm?
Yeah. Look, I got white hair. I don't want to do too much on my eyes. Because this joint going to look dumb. I'm not a makeup artist. I just put some art on my damn face. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so I just took all that makeup off. Drinking a cooler and being on the phone does not go well with me. So yes, I don't know what that was. So anyway, right now I just did a bronzer of a brown over my crease and on my eyelid. And then I'm going to add my black to give it that smoky effect. So this is really not a tutorial, but thank you guys for watching and continue to watch. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So here's the part where I'm adding a little black on my eyeshadow. And I'm giving that smoky eye effect. And even though I just said that smoky effect. So I'm giving my eyelid that smoky eye effect. So this, again, is not a tutorial. So this is probably the last time you will be hearing from me as a voiceover. And again, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. Well, you don't get it at all then, so you're not getting it tonight.
But I don't want it tomorrow.
You're not eating cake tonight. We don't even have no cake, so what are you talking about?
I want cake.
Alright, pretend like you eating cake. Let me see. Cool. You should continue to do that.
I don't want to eat it like that.
Oh, how do you want to eat it?
I don't want to eat it in the invisible cake.
You don't want to eat it in an invisible cake? Well, I guess you are.
I keep trying to.
Hey, let me call you back.
I'm trying to eat.
Bye.
I will see you.
Can you get on my head, please? I'm confused.
Look at your face.
What it look like?
It looks like pussy.
Look crusty?
Yeah.
Because I got the powder under my eye right there.
Probably you.
I think it was me, but I don't know why. Oh, heck no.
I'll see you.
No, I don't know what that video was. It's an old video.
That
Accidentally
was a
about to send it to
scary
somebody.
video. That was a scary video. I was asleep. Then I just watched.
You was a baby. You didn't even know what was going on.
I just watched it with you.
Yeah, you watched it. Hello? I'm doing a video for my YouTube channel. Yo, I'm gonna call you back because I thought you was like home and I thought you was like sad or something. What is this shape?
Circle.
How you know it's a circle?
Let's go round and round like a circle.
Oh, and it don't have any
Sides.
sides. And what's the E word you just said? Have any
Edges.
Mhm.
That is a square.
What's a square?
Right there.
Oh yeah, my mirror.
Yeah. And that.
Oh, this is a.
This is the. That is the. That is the rectangle.
Rectangle.
That you had you.
It took you a little minute. You couldn't get it up?
That's a square.
What's a square?
Right there.
Oh yeah, it is a square.
I love you. Oval. Oval.
I love you too. Mason. Mason.
A B C D.
You want another peanut butter and jelly?
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
A B C D.
So I like to let this get a little tacky, like dry on my face, I would say. Like just let it set in. So then when I blend, it's not being saturated. You know what I mean? So you feel me? So let me see. Two. You know how like I'm just basically buffering it, but so I actually bought some white. And I wish I never took it out to pay, but I actually bought some white liquid eyeliner just for this. I don't speak up. Like I need to learn to speak up. So please forgive me. I'm like so sorry. And then my camera microphone wasn't even charged. Okay, so I'm doing a lightning bolts, but I am not dipping this back into the thing because I don't want it to be too white. I'm really not good at verbal tutorials, because this is not a tutorial, because I don't want y'all to think like, oh, should I copy off of her? And then it's just like, girl, what are you doing? You know what I mean? I don't want y'all to be like, oh, I should copy off of her because this is how it's supposed to be. Because I'm not telling you how to do it, and I don't think a voiceover would be good. Because what I'm going to say, oh, just basically, you know, just do a squiggle line on your face. That's all it is. Or you can Google like what a lightning bolt looks like, how it got zigzags in it a lot. And you know, I said, you know how you get electrocuted and it be like a dust? Actually, like, you know how like the sky be so dark? So that's what I would say. Like, this is like the sky. Like, your face is like the sky. And then, you know, the lightning bolt is what the lightning bolt is. Like, however you see, however you see the lightning bolt is. And you can clean it up like how you see it.
Superhero, 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 hero, superhero.
Come on, silly.
I'm not silly. I'm superhero.
Let me make sure this one. Can't jump off the bed now. I'm trying to put your costume on.
Costume? What am I
Yeah.
gonna be?
What you want to be?
A superhero again. What's this? I just closed my eyes.
Here.
Close my eyes.
I hope you can fit him. If not, he can wear them next year. That's why I put him up.
Yeah.
Black pants. That's all we got.
Pajamas.
Silly. Dun 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay.
No,
Got
no,
the
no,
boots
no.
on.
I got socks on.
I got socks on.
You're a superhero, mommy,
Yep.
and I'm passenger.
You a what?
I'm the passenger.
The panther? Oh, that was cute. Put your arms up like this. Stand back right here with mommy. Damn. But I am.
Touch it all I want.
So let's read this.
Hey Siri.
Who is the son of Black Panther and Storm?
Here's an answer from Wikipedia.org. Azari, son of Black Panther and Storm, and future Black Panther from the Earth 555,326 timeline. Check it out.
She said check it out. I want to check it out, Mommy.
The wedding between Storm and
Mommy.
Black Panther was a major comic book event in the Marvel Universe. It was a little extra special because of the series crossover. Storm being a popular and prominent character in X-Men, while Black Panther being the main man in his own issues. But Storm and Black Panther's deep connection made for an exception. Both come from royal African descent, have ties to their own respected gods, have powers that lead them to be heroes, fought at different times as members of the Avengers.
Make a serious face. Not that. It's serious like this. Like you're a king.
That's not angry.
No, not angry face like this. No, fix your lip. Hold on. You know what? I forgot to put on lipstick. Right, back up.
Slay your
You're
enemies,
in
and all your desires shall be
Yeah, you're
yours.
in my
Anything you
life.
dream of is impossible for me
My
to
life.
accomplish. That's the opening line of the beyond. It's the
You almost
first
got crushed by the
time
chair.
In fact, it'll be the last time you hear from him for quite some time. But the funny thing is that
I
as
see.
soon as that
Same thing happens to everyone.
Come on, Mace. We're gonna do two. What you gonna say? Get off the necklace. Get off. gracious. Let's do the ending. Sit back, Black Panther. Okay.
I got back.
I really appreciate it. You guys are here every week.
So it's Halloween 2020.
2020.
Yeah, so now Mason is 3 years old, right?
Why?
And last year Mason was, how old were you last year?
2.
Okay. Last year we was a crow. You was a crow, which was, actually you was a raven. And I was the Maleficent. You want to see the video?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't remember? Say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Boom. Alright, so time to wash your face off
Yeah, and clean this off.
and go to sleep.
No.
I thought you was yawning.
I did.
I think I have a clip of you yawning.
Happy Halloween.
Oh, okay. Tired?
No,
But you said you was tired.
I'm not tired.
I'm tired.
But I'm not tired.
Anyways, this was a great camera setting. Maybe I should have.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Somebody just yawned.
I didn't. No.
I hope I got some good content for you guys.
I
you know
don't
what? Somebody
wash
told me
my face
never
off.
to say, I hope I got
I
good
don't wash
content.
my
Say, I
face
know
off.
I got good time.
I gotta wash my face off.
You do.
I wanna
So
wash
see you guys.
you guys.
Wave at the camera.